You tired of eating right and working out but still not losing weight? It's not your fault. After age 30 our metabolism naturally slows. In fact, when insulin is high your body basically flips a fat storage switch and stops burning fat. But what if there was a simple morning drink that could flip that switch off and kick your metabolism into high gear? Stay tuned. We're revealing a dietitian-approved 7-day reset drink that can supercharge your fat burning. The problem and solution: most people try diet after diet only to feel hungrier and stuck. But weight loss isn't just about willpower, it's about hormones and metabolism. Studies show metabolism slows about 1 to 2% per decade after age 20, and after 40 hormonal changes can actually increase appetite and stall fat burning. Every time your blood sugar spikes, insulin prevents fat burning. That's the fat storage switch. The good news? We can flip that switch back off. The secret is a special morning drink featuring raw apple cider vinegar, ACV, citrus, and warming spices. Dietitians note that ACV's acetic acid slows carb digestion and keeps blood sugar steady, which in turn keeps insulin low and fat burning on. In this 7-day metabolism reset, you'll sip that ACV drink each morning to shut off fat storage. It's simple, science-backed, and exactly the boost your metabolism needs. The formula: the 4-ingredient morning fat-burning formula is super easy to make. Every day for 7 days, mix up a tall glass and drink it before breakfast. Here's what you need and why each ingredient works. Raw apple cider vinegar, ACV. Go for 2 tablespoons of unfiltered ACV. Its acetic acid can improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Research even shows ACV is associated with lower insulin resistance and acts as a fat-burning appetite suppressant, meaning it helps curb cravings and stops your body from storing fat. Fresh lemon juice. Juice of 1/2 lemon, about 2 tablespoons. Lemon is high in vitamin C and limonene, which kick-starts the digestion process and stimulates bile and gastric juice production. In plain terms, lemon helps your body digest nutrients and fat properly while hydrating you. Fresh ginger. About 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, or ground. Ginger contains gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood sugar. Studies find ginger improves glucose control, so it helps blunt any post-meal sugar spikes. Ground cinnamon. A 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and is well studied for stabilizing blood glucose. It also adds flavor without sugar. By slowing how fast your stomach empties, cinnamon helps keep you fuller longer. Optional: cayenne pepper. A pinch of cayenne pepper, or hot sauce, for a metabolism kick. Capsaicin in chili is a thermogenic compound that can slightly raise calorie burn by producing heat. To prepare the drink, mix all the ingredients in about 16 ounces, 2 cups, of warm water. Stir well and sip it first thing in the morning. You can add a teaspoon of raw honey if you need sweetness, but skip added sugar. The 7-day protocol: follow this plan each morning and stick to 2 simple rules: sleep and walking, for best results. Expect gradual changes over the week. Days 1 to 2. You may feel a light detox, less bloating and reduced water weight. Hunger may spike a bit at first as your body adjusts to lower insulin. Stick with it and drink plenty of plain water. Days 3 to 5. cravings continue to fade, especially for sweets and junk food. You'll likely notice steadier energy and perhaps a few pounds easier to lose. Days 6 to 7. Metabolism is revving up. You should feel more energized and notice looser fitting clothes. Your body is burning fat stores for fuel now. Daily rules. In addition to the morning drink, do these every day. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Aim for a solid, restful sleep each night. Good sleep balances your hunger hormones, leptin and ghrelin. Chronic sleep loss lowers leptin, fullness hormone, and raises ghrelin, hunger hormone, making weight loss harder. Walk after meals. Take a brisk 10 to 15-minute walk after each meal. Studies show even a short post-meal walk makes blood sugar rise and fall more gradually, keeping insulin stable. It also boosts calorie burn and digestion. Stick to those rules and your fat burning will skyrocket. The hidden killer and warning: 1 non-negotiable rule. No sugary drinks or diet soda during the reset. Sugary sodas, even diet drinks, trigger insulin and hunger. Harvard studies warn that diet sodas can actually increase cravings for sweets. Open black lens brackets 36L 103L 110 close black lens bracket. Even carbonated water or soda can spike ghrelin, the hunger hormone, making you feel more hungry. Bottom line: avoid all sodas, sweet teas, juices, and artificially sweetened drinks for the week. Stick to water or unsweetened tea only. This is critical. One soda can erase the benefits of your morning drink. If it has sugar or sweeteners, it's off limits. Stay strict and you'll see the difference. Summary: in summary, each morning for 7 days you'll drink the ACV Lemon Ginger Cinnamon Tonic we showed, and follow the sleep and walk rules. This simple reset helps stabilize your blood sugar, keeps insulin low, flipping off the fat storage switch, and kickstarts consistent fat burning. That's it. Follow these steps and let the drink do the rest. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-based health tips. And if you want the exact apple cider vinegar product we recommend, check the link in the description. We trust Apple Cider Vinegar ebook by Kimberly Scott. They pack all the benefits of raw ACV into a tasty gummy form. Affiliate disclaimer: purchasing through our link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Enjoy the reset and good luck.